Yo, what's happening? It's your man OG Bo Beats TV. Coming here today with another special video. What's good? What's happening YouTube? It's your man OG Bo Beats. And I'm back with another video today. Some dope shoes. I've been waiting to review. I had them for probably about a week now, I think. So finally getting a chance to review them so I can show them up close and personal to all of my subscribers. So let's get right into it. But before we do, please, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment. You know I reply to all comments. OG Bo Beats, let's do it. All right, boom. So check it out. Here we go, here we go. So you see the box, right? One of my favorite Air Jordan boxes. I know I say that a lot, but I really do like this box right here. Generally speaking, we get 5s and 6s in this box. So all black Air Jordan blocks, red Jumpman. See, we got the cement on the box. And yeah, so this shoe right here is one of my favorite silhouettes. I got a lot of these shoes. You know, I was able to come up on this shoe on a restock. So I was glad I was able to get this. Also, I mean, as of right now today, this shoe is very easy to get. It should be. It's been restocking a lot. Apparently it's been sitting at stores. So hey, you know, if you want the shoe, you should be able to get it without paying a resale price. So let's go ahead and check it out. So we're talking about the Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway on the box is Sail Orange Blaze. All right, size 11. My size, retail for $190. All right, so go ahead and check that out. Check the label out. All right. Go ahead and open these up. Take the shoe out. All right, so as you already know, with the cement box, you got the cement paper, nothing new there. Okay, slide this over here. Let me check it out. All right, cool. Boom. So check it out. There you have the Air Jordan 5, right? Shattered backboard. All right, shattered backboard. Check it out. Okay. So my first thoughts on this shoe is this is a fire shoe. You know, I say that a lot, but this shoe right here is something special. I knew it when I seen it that I had to have this shoe because it's different. And you know, I like different stuff. It's not just an Air Jordan 5 with some different colorways on it. This is actually got some very dope and interesting materials. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, this is the first time this shoe has released the shattered backboard version in the Air Jordan 5, all right, if I'm not mistaken. So if you don't know, shattered backboard comes from a situation back long ago, early in Michael Jordan's career, 1985. He was set to be in Italy playing in like a pickup game or an exhibition game or something like that. He went up for a dunk and, you know, slam dunk and hung on the rim a little bit too long and ended up shattering the backboard. So at the time, he was wearing like a black and orange jersey or something of that nature, right, as the story goes. And you know, back then, the goals, the rims, and the backboards was all, you know, kind of fragile compared to what it is now. So MJ apparently broke the backboard, all right? And then years later, 2015, if I'm not mistaken, in commemoration of that moment, Nike or Jordan brand released the Air Jordan 1 shattered backboard. And since then, you had the reverse backboard, you had the 2.0, you got the 3.0, which I have, the patent leather shiny ones that I really like those. And so that's one of the main reasons I definitely wanted to get my hands on this shoe right here. It definitely gives you the shattered backboard feel. I know a lot of people feel like anything that Jordan brand puts that orange color on that we're gonna call a shattered backboard, but I think these deserve it. So let's go ahead and check out the shoe. So the shoe originally released October 2nd on Sneakers app and, you know, all the other apps. I was not able to hit the shoe on Sneakers app, right? Not a surprise there. So what happened is, I think it was 2 days later, it restocked for the first time. I think it's on Champs for me. I was able to hit on the restock, paid retail, and they actually shipped the shoe pretty quick, and that was it. So like I said, check your local stores. You know, if you're not active on Twitter, make sure you follow me on Twitter because I repost a lot of the information for all the restocks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check the shoe out. So on the outsole of the shoe, you see you got this translucent with the hint of like orange, I guess you could say, or rubber, more just like a regular rubber feel. I actually think this is very dope. Gives it that aged look. You got the red Jumpman that you can see inside there. Of course, you got the Jordan in the black part in the middle of the outsole. And then you got more of that rubber translucent aged look right here on the heel. All right, moving up to the midsole. All right, you got this orange blaze that I think is a dope colorway. Definitely sets off the shoe. And then you got on that, you got the shark teeth with basically the cement on there. So I think that's a dope look right there. Another good feature. You know, I really like the color blocking on this shoe. And then you got another black piece right here to accentuate that orange to really make it pop. So moving up to the upper of the shoe. So this is where it gets interesting. So the upper of the shoe, you got this nice, very soft, genuine leather. All right, not tumble leather, but you can definitely see that this is a nice, soft leather. So I saw a few reviews before this and I couldn't really tell. I seen people were saying that it was nice. And I'm like, I don't know, but it went in hand. This is very, very premium soft leather right here, okay? So you got that, and then of course you got that netting that comes on the side of the Air Jordan 5. But keep it, it's not the see-through netting. It's some netting that's actually got some type of shield behind it. And so also with the netting, you actually got it up here on the ankle part of the shoe too, which is a new feature. All right, so some have said that gives this shoe that the Air Jordan 5 Off-White has a similar kind of style. I don't know if it's the exact same netting because I haven't seen those in hand, but I definitely think it's a similar style. So you got the netting around the ankle of the shoe. So that's a dope look. And this color up here, like I said, it's not white, it's sail. It's a sail colorway, which continues to give the shoe that aged look. You got the same type of color for the laces. You got the netting too on the tongue right here under the laces. Moving up, you got the clear lace lock with the black button with the orange Jumpman on the lace lock. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, and then you got the tongue. I'm pretty sure this is a 3M tongue. I didn't even check yet. But you got the gray tongue, and then you got the orange blaze Jumpman on top of the tongue. So check that out. Inside the shoe, you got a black sock liner, and then of course the sole of the shoe is that blaze orange with another black Jumpman. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but check it out. And then around the heel of the shoe, you got a black Jumpman. All right, so that's pretty much it for the shoe, man. Oh, I'm sorry. And then behind the tongue, I like this too. You got the Air Jordan behind the tongue, but you got like this glittery, shimmering silver with the orange Air Jordan also behind the tongue. So I like how they added that. I don't know what the reason for that was, but it matches the shoe. It matches the tongue. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I really dig these. Glad I was able to get these. This is one of my favorite shoes of the year, you know what I'm saying, so far. I really like this 5. This is going to probably go down as one of my top 5 Air Jordan 5 shoes that I have, you know. So this is a dope shoe. Inside the bubble, I didn't mention that, but you got, look like some more plain, like rubbery type of material inside the bubble. So no color or anything there. So yeah, let me know how y'all feel about this shoe, man. Comment down below. Let me know if you was able to get this shoe on the sneakers app, or if you hit on one of the Flex app or one of the stores on release day, or you able to cop this for retail or maybe even a discount at this point since they're sitting on the shelves at a lot of the stores. So I think the shoe will go up in price. It's just a matter of time. Once you're not able to get these no more, the shoe's gonna go up in price. But yeah, let me know what you think about these. Comment down below. You know I reply to all comments. Make sure if you haven't already, subscribe to the page, like the video, share the video. I'm OG Bo Beats. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.